Hi children, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Am I right children? Yeah. So today what we are going to discuss in our class. So yesterday what we did? In yesterday's class we have completed our lesson part. Am I right? So in today's class what we are going to discuss? Yeah. So today we are going to discuss a workbook part and also CW. So what we are going to write in our CW and also the workbook part. So in our workbook now which part we are discussing? Which I think sorry, yesterday or day before yesterday I forgot to ask you. I think Monday is the last day for you to write CW, the first lesson and the workbook CWs. Am I right children? CWs and the workbook. How many of you have been completed CWs and the workbook part? How many of you? I think very few of you, right? Children, everyone should complete your books. So in our campus note app, you have to take a snap and you have to keep it in the campus note app. So through that we will check your books. You have done your homework or not. You are seeing the videos or not. So we will check through the campus note app. So I hope everyone will complete the CW and our workbook part. So now we have completed our second lesson part also. So if you are not completing the first lesson workbook and CW, it will not be good. Am I right children? If it is in school means you will complete as usual, right? So try to complete your workbook part and CW part. I will keep like a ST. ST in the sense I will write the question and answers on the board. So you have to write it without seeing. So already we have done the process in which step we have done. Already we have written our workbooks like an ST only. So that is an ST. And also like a first lesson has been completed, right? So for that also you have to keep like an ST, right? So I will write the question and answers on the board. So you have to write in your ST book. And so you may think that how can we write ST in home, ma'am? Yeah, you may think like that, but you have to write. You have to show it to your mother or father. So write the question answers and show it to your mother or father, whoever present in your house. So that sit in the corner of your any room or wherever your mother is working. So if your mother is working means, so sit there and write. Don't write by seeing. So wherever you are, so keep your, I think your books will be in one room or in the shelves. Am I right? So there will not be a possibility to write by seeing. Wherever your mother is working, if your mother is cooking means go near kitchen and write. So if your mother is watching TV or she is doing any work in the hall means sit in the hall and do. Okay children? I hope everyone will write ST without seeing. Okay? So tomorrow, in the tomorrow session, I will write what is the ST for the first lesson. ST will be on tomorrow. So in the tomorrow session, I will write the question and answers on the board so that you can write by your own. Okay children? So coming to our session. So today what we are going to discuss? Which part we are going to discuss? Workbook part. Am I right? So everyone open your workbooks. Page number 37. So open your workbooks, page number 37. Yeah. So now the first one, which is an example of a non-magnetic substance. So what are non-magnetic substances? What are magnetic substances? So which will attract, they are called a magnetic substance. Which will not attract to the magnet are called as a non-magnetic substance. Am I right children? So now in these options, see, nail, jump clip, iron bolt, glass. A glass is a magnetic substance? No, right? So iron bolt is a magnetic substance. With the help of that iron bolt only we did magnet. Am I right? So and the jump clip also it will be attached to the magnet. And nails are also attached to the magnet. Am I right? So which is the non-magnetic material here? Yeah, glass. So glass is the non-magnetic substance. So what is the first one? First one is option. First one is option D. And the second. So yesterday I said no, like poles. Like poles will attract or repel. So like poles means what? Same poles. So same, south means it will attract or repel. South means it will attract. South-north means it is a different poles and unlike poles. If it is unlike poles means it will attract. So if it is like pole means same poles, same directions. Same directions will attract? No, it will not attract. Am I right? So that like poles will repel. Like poles will repel. So what is the option? Like poles will repel. So option C. Option C. And in the third one. So third one, see. A freely suspended bar magnet rests in. So a freely suspended bar magnet, in which direction it will take rest? So every time I used to repeat and repeat. I used to say that in which direction the magnet will be in rest. In which direction, children? So east-west directions, upside down, south-north directions and north-south directions. So which directions? Which directions? North-south direction. So what is the option? North-south direction. So what is the option? Option D. Option D. Okay, children. So the next one. So next one. Dash attract each other. Dash attract each other. Unlike poles, like poles, the magnet and the wood, magnet and the gold. So which will attract each other? So in the before bit we did what we learned. So like poles will repel, unlike poles will attract. So what is the answer? Unlike poles. What is the answer? Unlike poles. So unlike poles will attract. So unlike poles will attract. So the next one. Earth magnet has its south pole situated in. Earth magnet has its south pole situated in which directions it is situated, children? Which direction it is situated? The earth magnet. The earth magnet is situated in which directions? Earth magnet is situated in east direction, north direction, south direction and the west direction. So which direction it is situated in? It is situated in north direction. So the earth magnet is situated in which direction? North direction. So what is the option? Option B. Option B. So the next, natural magnet. So natural magnet. So in the story of the magnet, so we read the story of the magnet, right? So in that we read that. So what is a natural magnet? See here, horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, disc magnet, lodestone. So what is that in the story of a magnet? Which type of magnet it is? Which type of magnet it is, children? Lodestone is a natural magnet. So lodestone is a natural magnet. So what is the option? What is the option, children? Option D. So the next, which is an example of a magnetic substance? So what is an example of a magnetic substance? See here. Iron, cobalt, nickel, all the above. Which is an example of a magnetic substance? So what is the example of a magnetic substance, children? What is an example? Iron. Iron is a magnetic substance. Cobalt is a magnetic substance. So nickel and all the above. So 3 comes under magnetic substances, like a magnetic materials only. So what is the option? What is the option, children? So option D. Option D. So the next, magnets can have a shape of. So different shapes of magnet. So how many types of magnets are there? Different shapes. One is horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, disc magnet. So We read these magnets, different shoe, different types of horseshoe magnet also we read, no? So these are the different types of magnets which we read. Yeah. So now, so option is all the above. So ring magnet is there, disc magnet is there, horseshoe magnet. So option is D, all the above. So the substance which are repelled by the magnets, repulsion, see here children, which are repelled by the magnets are called repulsion. Repulsion takes place means magnetic, non-magnetic, diamagnetic, all the above. So if it is repelled means, so if magnetic substances means it will not repel. If it is a non-magnetic means it will repel. So we can write a non-magnetic or a diamagnetic. So we can write any one of this both. So what is the option? What is the option? Option B. Magnet has more strength. At which sides the magnet will be having more strength? See here. At its middle portion, at its poles, same everywhere, depends upon the nature of the magnet. So where it will be more strong, in which place it will be more strong, children? So everyone know very well, right? How many ends will be there for the magnet? There will be north and the south. So it will be strong in the both the poles. At the poles it will have more strength when compared to the remaining part of the magnet. Okay children? So now, our choose the correct answers completed. So what I said, so just listen the video and you have to write by seeing or without seeing. Yeah, good. So you have to write by without seeing. So the next one. So fill in the blanks. See here. Paper is not a dash material. Paper is a magnetic or non-magnetic material. Paper is a non-magnetic material. Here what they have given, paper is not a magnetic material. Paper is not a magnetic material. And the next, a magnet always the magnet will have, how many poles will have? It will have 3 or 4. 3 or 4? No 3, no 4. It will be having only 2 poles. 2 poles. So what are those poles? North pole and the south poles. So how many poles? 2 poles. And the next, a magnet has 2 poles. Call the, so before only I said no, what are the poles? North and the south poles. So north and south poles. So next, natural magnets are also called as, so in the multiple choices also we have read, right? So natural magnets are called as lodestones. So natural magnets are also called as lodestones. And then the next, dash is the strongest magnet currently known. So strongest magnet. What is the strongest magnet? Neodymium. Neodymium. So what is the strongest magnet, children? Neodymium. So neodymium is the strongest magnet. And the next, Earth magnet has its south pole situated in which direction? South pole is situated in, south pole is situated in north direction. And if it is a north pole means south direction. South pole means north direction. North pole means south direction. The next, single magnetic poles. Single magnetic poles. Anywhere place have only single side it will be for the magnet. Do you know, right? So never exist. Single side will never exist. Single side will never exist. So the earth possesses dash property which acts upon the suspended bar magnet. So earth possesses, will be having which property? Earth will be having which property? In the before choose the correct answer also we write magnetic property. So the earth will have the magnetic property. So the next, dash is the ore of iron, Fe3O4. Iron means Fe3O4, which has a property to attract the objects made from iron. So if it is a iron means which is having the attraction property. So what is that? Magnetite, which will have magnetite will have, so it will attract the objects, so which is made up of iron. So it is having the property of attracting. So the next, a cylindrical magnet has only one pole. Cylindrical magnet will have only one pole. The cylinder shape everyone know very well, right? So it is having only one pole. No, right? So what is that? False. Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. So artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. I didn't say any time. So just true or false? Yeah, it is false. Similar poles of a magnet repel each other. Similar poles will repel each other. It is true or false? Similar poles will repel. So what is the option? True. What is the option? True. Bar magnets always point towards the north-south directions. So bar magnets will have always points towards which directions? North-south direction. So what is the option? Not an option. True or false? True. So it always takes rest in a which direction, student? So yeah, north-south directions. A compass can be used to find the east-west directions at any place. So compass is used to find east-west directions. East-west? No, right? So always it will be in which directions? In which directions? North-south direction. So it is false. Rubber is a magnetic material. Rubber means what? Rubber. So rubber type of materials will be there, no? So it is magnetic. Rubber is a magnetic. It is having any attraction properties there for the rubber. So it is not there. So what is the option? Rubber is magnetic material means false. The next. Magnetic poles always exist in pairs. So magnetic poles always exist in pairs. So it will be existing in pairs, right? So what is the option? Yeah. True. This is a true. So the next. Aluminium is attracted by a magnet. Aluminium is attracted. Do you have any experience that aluminium is having a property of magnetic property is there for attraction? No, right? So what is the option? Sorry, I'm getting option only. So what is that? False. Water is a magnetic substance. Water is having any magnetic property? No, right? So what is the option? So what is that? Yeah, false. So till here our big part portion is completed. So write like an ST. And in the tomorrow session I will give like a ST. So I already said no. Which lesson ST? Second lesson or first lesson? Yeah, first lesson. So you may think that ma'am will give which is there in your book. No. I'll give both which is there in your book and also from outside. Just read your textbook carefully. So now we are in sixth grade, say. So it is a state portion, state syllabus it is. So not like a IMAX paper. So IMAX paper means which is there in your book you'll get, right? So it is different. So which is there from outside. Outside in the sense not from outside, which is there in the textbook. So if you are coming in the higher level means compulsory you have to read your textbook. Textbook reading is very, very important. Okay, from the textbook. So down some lines also will be there, no? Those are also very, very important. From those lines also we will get the fill in the blanks and also match the following like that we will get from that. So it is also very important. So everyone read carefully textbook. So mostly I will concentrate from the down which is there. So banana is having more potassium, so we should not eat banana with the empty stomach, like that. There is, yeah, having the back brackets, right? So try to concentrate on that. I have given the clue also what I will give for the ST. So not only that, I will give the other two. So everyone prepare first lesson. Okay, I will give ST questions tomorrow on board. So thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.